Hey folks, today I'm breaking down the Tangible Common Equity Ratio, or TCE ratio, with some fun and easy to grasp examples. Let's dive right in. First off, what is tangible common equity? Think of TCE as the hardcore physical capital of a company. It's the part of equity left after we subtract all the intangible stuff like goodwill, patents, and trademarks. In other words, it's the money you can touch and feel. This is especially crucial for financial firms, where we need to know how much real, solid capital they have to handle losses during tough times. Now, how do we calculate TCE? Here's the formula. TCE equals total common equity minus intangible assets. For example, if company XYZ has $500 million in total common equity and $100 million in intangible assets, its TCE is $400 million. Simple, right? But wait, there's more. We also have the TCE ratio, which is TCE divided by total assets. So if company XYZ has $400 million in TCE and $2 billion in total assets, the TCE ratio is 20%. This ratio gives us a snapshot of how much of the company's assets are backed by tangible equity. Why is this important? Well, a higher TCE means the company is in a stronger financial position and can better weather economic downturns. For banks, this is crucial because a low TCE might signal higher risk. In essence, it tells us how much the company can lose before shareholder equity gets wiped out. For investors and lenders, TCE is a big deal. Lenders use it to assess a company's ability to repay debts, while investors look at it to gauge a company's fundamental health. A solid TCE can build investor confidence, signaling that the company is fundamentally sound. Let's talk about TCE versus total equity. Total equity includes everything, all assets minus liabilities. But TCE excludes intangible assets, making it a more conservative metric, especially during financial stress. It's like saying, show me the money I can actually count on. Now, why is TCE particularly important in different industries? In banking and finance, regulators often require a minimum TCE level to ensure stability. High TCE is crucial for absorbing potential losses. In technology, TCE might be less critical due to the high value placed on intangible assets like intellectual property. But in manufacturing and retail, where physical assets are key, TCE is highly relevant. Let's wrap up with a real-world example. Take Wells Fargo's 2021 data. We calculate their TCE by subtracting goodwill, intangible assets, and preferred stock from their book value. This gives us a clear picture of their tangible equity and helps assess their financial health. Remember, folks, understanding TCE can help you make smarter investment decisions and better assess a company's true value. So next time you're analyzing a financial statement, don't forget to check out the Tangible Common Equity Ratio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun finance tips. See you next time.